Hello everyone. Do you wish to change your voice to make your streams fun? Stay with me and I'll tell you. So, search on Google Clownfish Voice Changer. It will lead you to this website. Go on downloads and download the 64-bit version. This is very small software. You can see 1.42 KB, not even MB, KB. Double click on it to install. We will install it right away. Complete it next and finish. So when it get installed, it will show you in the icon tray and you can click on it.
Double click on it. So as you can see, my voice has changed, right? So this is so easy. Double click on it and it will change your voice, and you can click on sound player to use different kinds of sounds like duck sound or any phrase you want to say,
Smoke weed every day.
or hail to the king.
Hail to the king, baby. Hail to the king, baby.
Hail to me, guys. If you like this video, please make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll come up with more fun videos for you. Small tutorials with great content and a lot of knowledge for you guys. Thank you everyone. You can make your streams much better. Let me change my voice.
Back to original. Thank you everyone. See you in my next video.